Hi, my name's Larry Smith with Legacy Transitions, and I put together a group of professionals to help families dealing with probate. We can help from the little things all the way up to everything, and it really just depends on your situation and what you need help with. We help with stuff like trash out services, coordinating donations of unwanted property to nonprofit organizations. Other areas include lawn services, locksmiths, estate sales companies, probate attorneys, accountants, title companies, real estate services, moving services. Basically, you name it, and my group can help. You will not believe the amount of stress and load that we can take off your shoulders if you just let us. Before we jump in, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you never miss out on any one of my updates. My contact information is in the description. Do I have to file probate if there's a will? It's a great question. A lot of people think if they have a will, they don't have to file probate. That's not necessarily the case. Now, to be clear, I'm not a lawyer, but I can offer some general information. Whether you need to file for probate when there's a will largely depends on specific laws for your jurisdiction and the circumstances surrounding the estate. In many cases, having a will can make the probate process smoother, but it doesn't necessarily eliminate the need for probate entirely. Probate is the legal process through which deceased persons' assets are distributed and their debts are settled under court supervision. Even if there is a will, it might still need to go through the probate process for several reasons. One, validation of the will. The court needs to validate the will to ensure it's a genuine and it meets the legal requirements of your jurisdiction. This is often a necessary step before the will's instructions can be carried out. Creditor claims. During the probate process, creditors have an opportunity to make claims against the deceased person's estate. This process helps ensure that the deceased debts are properly settled. Disputes. If there are disagreements among beneficiaries, heirs, or other parties, interpretation or distribution of assets, the probate process and courts provide a forum in which to provide for these issues. Real property transfer. If the deceased person owned real estate, transferring the title to the new owner, such as the beneficiary, might require a legal process even if there is a will. Complex estates. If the estate is particularly large, has complex assets, or involves multiple jurisdictions, the probate process might be required to ensure proper distribution and compliance with all applicable laws. However, some jurisdictions have simplified probate procedures for smaller estates or estates with straightforward distributions, and having which one can make this process more efficient. It's important to consult with a legal professional familiar with the laws in your jurisdiction to understand the specific requirements and procedures related to probate and wills in your area. They can provide advice tailored to your situation. Again, thanks for tuning in. I get calls, texts, and emails every week from many of you looking for help and direction, and I personally love that. So be sure to reach out to me if you would like to connect, and I can help provide the resources that you would need to file for probate. Simply call, text, or email, or even leave me a comment, and I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can. And again, until next time, take care.